doctor. So imagine, as a doctor, I transfer from one hospital to another. So before, full tank, so gasoline, it's only around 3,000 pesos. So now, grabe, almost 6,000 full tank. Grabe, di ba? And then, as a mother, feel na feel ko din yan. I have 3 kids. Siyempre, you want to provide, di ba? Before, pag nag-grocery ka, 4,000 pesos, okay ka na. Yung push cart mo, punong-puno, diba? Kasi gusto mo, yung 3 kids mo, okay sila. But now, 10,000 pesos, kulang pa, hindi pa ganun kapuno yung push cart mo. So ganun, kahit ako as a pediatrician, ramdam na ramdam ko talaga na inflation rate continues to sky high. Okay? So that's why I'm really very proud and excited na nandito pa rin ako sa negosyong to, which is the entrepreneurship and dropshipping business. Thank you. If you really want something new, you must be willing to do something you never did before.
Yes.
Okay? Because kung hindi ka din willing to do it, diba, you cannot get that goal. First, you need to believe in yourself. Kasi, doon magsisimula yung motivation. Everything starts from you. Okay? Believe in yourself, believe in the industry, believe in your company, and also believe in your team. Because everything starts from that. 10 years, 11 years ago, I don't know anything about the business. But I want to be successful. That's why I really did things I never did before. But looking back, buti na lang, naniwala ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko siya. Naniwala ko sa industry, naniwala ko sa mga mentors ko. And 360 degrees, I'm very thankful kasi nagtuloy-tuloy lang ako despite all the challenges and all the mockery that I received. Because what I'm doing is for my family. At the end of the day, my family will benefit from this business. When I joined the business, I'm already practicing consultant, okay? So imagine, yung nagtuturo sa akin, yung sponsor ko, kasing age niya. But, they have the result. Nawala ako. So sabi ko, anong meron tong mga batang to na wala ako? Bakit sila successful, financially stable, wherein ako, ang tagal-tagal kong nag-aral, takot na takot ako, baka isang iglap, mawalan ako ng financial source. Okay? Bakit ganun kalalim? Kasi I had an experience wherein habang nagkiklinik ako, nagkaroon ako ng twitchness, nagtutwitch yung half ng face ko. So nadala ko sa ER, ang mindset ko noon yung mga anak ko, and we are not financially ready. Diba? Sino ba yung financially ready na okay lang dalhin mo ako sa ER? Carry ko naman. Diba hindi? So that time, I realized I'm in a profession of active. Diba? No work, no pay. When the opportunity na dumating sa akin, no, na ginagawa kong 10 years or 11 years ago, sabi ko, ito yung gusto ko. Ito yung passive income na gusto ko ma-develop through time. I think that I'm already 36 years old that time. Okay? Nagko-question ako, bakit ganon? Ang tagal-tagal kong nag-aral. I'm not financially stable. Pero itong mga batang to, they are financially stable. Anong meron sila? Anong dapat kong matutunan para maging katulad nila? So I've realized yung trainings. They introduced to me the trainings. And when I attended the trainings, nakita ko, pumapasok ako in a different world. It's a paradigm shift. Okay? Pagpasok ko dun sa world na yon, sabi ko, ito yung hindi naturo sa labas. Hindi naturo sa classroom setup. Ito yung kailangan kong matutunan for me to be a street smart person na ito palang finances is very important. Okay? So through trainings, doon ko nakita na nagbabago yung mindset ko. Nababago yung mindset ko na kailangan kong mag-create ng passive income before I reach my 60 years old. Because there's a study that if you want to have a stable retirement 20 years earlier, you need to build a passive income. 5 years is very short. So that time is just the right time for me because I'm 36 years old. Okay? So yung mga mentors ko na mas bata sa akin, sabi ko, wala silang ituturo sa akin that will not help me to be successful in this business. They already laid down the path. Gusto ko yung result nila, I need to follow. Okay? So sabi nga, if you train every day or in at least 1% a day, you change yourself. Imagine in 1 year, 365% you change your mindset. Okay? So that's for me, training is very important. It helped me to have a better mindset of what I should have 10 years or 20 years before I get my retirement. Always remember, you should start with the end in mind. Ano bang gusto mo talagang mangyari? Sabi nga, di ba, kung nakikita mo yung boss mo, ganyan siya ngayon, for sure siya yung future mo. So I have my consultants, nakikita ko, pag retire nila, nagbi-business din. Diba? So ang daming doctors after retirement nagbi-business. So why I will wait for my retirement to do the business? Bakit hindi ko gawin ano? Okay? It's part of the process for you to be financially stable and for you to be financially successful. However, you need to know what is your need and what is your want.
Right.
Diba? Hindi pwedeng, yung bigla ang magdesisyon just to buy this one, yung impulsive buyers, diba? You need to know if it will compromise your finances. Okay? So, sa akin, part of being financially successful is pagtitipid, but it's not enough. Okay? You need to have other source of income. For me, for example, I'm a pediatric consultant, okay naman. Pero, when I had this health concern, na-feel ko na nasa part ako na no work, no pay. Diba? So, I can earn, but when I stop working, my financial cash flow stops. Okay? That's why it came to the point of my life, I'm looking for other source of income. That's why I entered this kind of business. And I'm very thankful because 11 years ago, I decided to join this kind of business because I had already other options. I have more time with my family. I have the freedom to cancel my clinic. Unlike before, hindi ko magawa kasi nga, kailangan kong mag-work lang ng mag-work and magtipid lang ng magtipid. Diba? Kasi yun yung mindset eh. But, when I have other source of income, I have the options. I can say no, I can buy what I want, or because, yun nga, meron na akong other source. But if ever, you have only one mainstream of income, yung wants mo, minsan sinasacrifice mo eh. Diba? Kasi, you have also other family members na, diba, parang ang sakit kasi na gusto mong tumulong, pero hindi ka makatulong kasi para lang sa pamilya mo kulang pa. Diba? Nararamdaman mo yon na pikit mata, ayaw mo na lang magbigay. Kasi naiisip mo, kulang pa sa pamilya mo. Okay? Before, sabi ng mga mentors, no, na sabi nga sa akin, Doktora, diba? Ang mindset before, kapag ang kumot maiksi, matuto, mamaluktot. Sabi ng mga mentors, Doktora, pwede naman bumili ng bago, di ba?
Correct.
Di ba? Bakit ka mamamaluktot kung kaya mong bumili ng bago? That's because meron ka ng financial ability kasi nagkaroon ka ng other cash flow. Okay? So for you to be financially stable, hindi lang pwede magtipid. Kailangan may other source of income ka. Thank you.